He slipped down the stairs, and now he can't walk.
Yay!
So I have Travalia back, and this is her beautiful dog, Mr. Moe. Mr. Moe's birthday is coming up, right? How old will Mr. Moe be?
16.
In about 2 weeks, right?
Yep.
Today is my first day back to work, and last night, Mo has been getting weaker and weaker with walking and stuff. And I try to catch him before he gets to the stairs so I could pick him up to take him down the stairs, and he slipped down the stairs. And now he can't walk. And this will be on the day I have to go back to work. And I have to go to the oncologist this morning too, before going to work. So I'm going to make an appointment for him to go to the chiropractor tomorrow. But y'all, this is stressing me out. I don't know how to pick him up without him screaming. And I just don't want to leave my dog. This is getting tougher, this senior thing.
And has he been able to walk since?
Last night when I got home, he stands, and when he walks, it seemed like something pokes out the side of him, or he leans to the side.
And you notice him more on the back right leg?
If he's this one here, yeah, but I don't know, maybe.
Okay. So let's do this. Let's put him on the mat here.
Yeah.
And let's see what he's got as far as stability right now. And then we'll do a treatment if you guys are up for it.
Yes.
That was better than
poking
yesterday.
out.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you can see his leg is turned out a little bit. So let's get him the muzzle on so that he doesn't bite you or me or hurt himself in any way. Mr. Moe, can I work with you today? Would that be okay?
Please.
Okay. I always like to ask, give him a chance. Would it be okay if I work with Mr. Moe today?
Yes.
Okay. I know, Mr. Moe, you don't love chiropractic adjustments, but I'm going to do my best and see if I can help you a little bit, okay? I do want to start at the top, Mr. Moe, and just feel what the neck feels like. Bring your head up. Here's one a little bit. I'm going to get this one for you, Mr. Moe, at C5. So sometimes when a dog slides or falls forward, they can whiplash their neck. And that would affect their whole back. It's going to affect their neck, obviously, but it could also, in more senior dogs, it can also affect their gait and just create tension throughout and stress down their whole spinal cord. So that's why I like to start at the top, even though the rear end is probably the most involved.
Okay.
He's letting me work today.
Good boy. Well, after reading your book, I do this with him so he could get used to, feeling you do this to him.
Oh, good. You mean the massage, how to massage your dog?
Yes.
Of course, thank you. I want to share a product that I'm really excited about, and in this case, it's my product. I made this video course recently called How to Massage Your Dog. The website is called howtomassageyourdog.com, and it's still on sale if you check in with it, but it gives you a way to work on your dog from head to toe, whether it's a few minutes a day or outright full body sessions. It's good for that puppy. It's also good for your senior dog. It's a way that you can manage pain and help that dog not suffer as it goes through the different stages of life. I show everything in this video course, from hand techniques through full body massage, everything from a teacup dog to a Great Dane. It's all in one video course. Check it out. Let me know what you think. And there's even a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. howtomassageyourdog.com. Watching that. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up his leg one at a time
To do this, Pookie.
and bring him. So that leg's a little sensitive.
We gotta make sure, baby.
Let's bring this forward.
I'm sorry, Pookie.
Into abduction. Sometimes the kneecap can subluxate or misalign.
I didn't realize they had a kneecap.
Yeah, a little kneecap, a little patella. Ooh, so that's out. His hip is a little off. Okay, got it.
I'm sorry.
Let's do the other side.
I'm sorry. Sorry, baby.
Now hold up his chest for me, and so you're gonna have to hold his front end up a little bit. You can let his feet touch,
Okay.
but you're gonna hold most of his weight so he can bring his legs up. So. Okay, got it. We'll come up the back now. So this is percussive instrument. So it's not a massager, it actually taps the bone into place and mobilizes or it can shift the bone a few millimeters. I'm on the hips now. I'm into the sabrotuberous ligament, sacral apex, right there still. So we still got a spot here that I haven't been able to clear out yet.
He is doing much better today. He hasn't tried to bite you.
He isn't trying to bite, he's not trying to scream. I wonder if he remembers doing this stuff. He's like, there's that funny guy, but he didn't hurt me last time, so maybe it'll be good.
But nothing feels dislocated?
No, the hip was out. Okay, the tail was a little compressed, and the neck was out. He had a right superior atlas. Just want to see if it's better. Up a little bit. And good. Nice. Knee feels good again. Let's look at the front shoulder. Go ahead, let me do this. Okay, got it. All right, let's get him back on the ground.
Take this off. He won't bite.
Your back right hip was the biggest problem, and your lumbars, and your neck. So you had three areas: your upper cervicals, your lower lumbars, which is 6 and 7 on a dog, and then your right hip, which is what I spent the most time on. So I think you'll see a difference, and let me know how you do, okay? All right.
Let's see. Let's see, Pookie.
Put him on the mat if you can, so he has grip.
Yay! Look at you.
He's walking nice, right?
Look at you. Yay. Come this way. Let me see you. Let me see you. Look at you.
What do you think? He's doing good,
I'm
right?
so happy. I'm really.
How upset was it yesterday when you saw him like that? I mean, your Instagram made me choke up.
It was my first day back to work, so I had surgery a couple of weeks ago, and so that was the last thing. I just didn't want to leave him, and it was hard.
So we have him.
Thank you.
A little balanced out today, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Moe. Mr. Moe's great. Everybody leave Mr. Moe a comment. He really is a sweet, kind dog.
And he just smiled. He smiled the whole time, never cried.
He let me work on him, which was interesting. If you saw the first video, he was getting snappy at me.
I think he knows you now.
Yeah, I think so. Mr. Moe, I hope you feel better. I would not let him off leash for 2 days.
Okay.
Okay? So you can take him out, but keep him on leash so he doesn't scoot around and hurt himself. And limit the walking for the next 2 days. I mean, I don't want to say total crate rest because he might want to move a little bit, but don't overdo it, underdo it. Okay,
I'm trying to stop him from jumping on the couch.
Zoomies or jumping for the next 2 days, okay?
Okay.
All right,
You heard the
that's
doctor.
Mr. Moe. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. This was such a relief for me. This was a very successful session. Just to see him walk regular like he's a young dog again, I really could cry tears right now. I really can. You say thank you?